this video, I'm going to be showing how to super clean your engine, or just clean your engine bay really. And I already know this video is going to trigger some people, but I don't really care. So if you're like me and you ain't really got time to be spending 10 hours cleaning your car and inside of your engine because you've got better things in your life to do, then this is going to be the video for you. But for other people who know about perfection, who want to be Mr. Perfect, then yeah, this ain't the one. So look at my engine bay. You can see my engine bay here is caked up with dirt. Let's get a closer look. Look, crud everywhere. Dust, probably never been touched in years. I think we can all clearly see how dirty it is under here. And I want to give you a good look. It's just dust, grime, dirt, all that good stuff. Now, I know a lot of people will tell you to, you're going to need 20 million brushes and you're going to need 50 chemicals, but not here, mate. I'm not doing none of that stuff. I'm going to keep it so basic and rugged and just 100%, you know what I mean? Because a lot of times you get convinced that you have to have all these things and it demotivates you. But we can clearly see that this engine is clearly, genuinely dirty. It's dirty enough to want to clean. Like I said, it's probably never been touched. Now, what you will need is a jet wash. That's what I use anyway. Working jet wash. I actually repaired this in the video before. I might put a link in the description. And here we go. Just hit it. No messing about. Just hit off that layer of dirt that's on the top that will just go away with water. Now, when you're doing this sort of stuff, like, try not to push water into things. Now, the modern day engine is full of plastics. Like, you're not really going to have a problem unless you're blasting into electrical connectors itself. So this is my chosen degreaser. It's really good, this stuff. I'll get it from Screwfix. I could also put a link in the description. And also have other degreasers that I use. And I just did this at a 50-50 mix in a squeezy bottle. I'm keeping it simple. We're not trying to complicate it. We don't need a million bits and pieces just to make it work. Easy. So now there's my squeezy bottle. I'm just going to go at it. Mainly the plastics. I haven't covered anything, remember that. But I'm just hitting the plastics. Most of the things you see, unless you're, like I said, unless you're blasting water directly into electrical connections, you're not really going to have a problem. I've never had a problem. I've done this for years. I've always done it like this. And I've never had a problem. So, yeah, just hit it up. Just use your degreaser. With me dusting it off first, with me just spraying that little spray first, hitting it with the jet wash first, I've just taken that first layer of dirt off. So once that's off, now the degreaser or whatever you're going to use can just go to action on what's actually there. So it just takes off, it cuts a bit of the workload off the grease. But look, this is all simple stuff. None of this, what I'm doing here is rocket science. So I'm just getting at it, and all the places I can see, all the plastics. If I see anything a bit funny, look, it's that simple. Here's my brush that I'm using. Got it from the garage. Give it a jet wash. This is just so easy. Like, I don't know why we complicate it. Look, simple. Just get scrubbing. I ain't got no patience for all them other little brushes and dipping it here, dipping it there. I'm just going to keep it real with you guys. I just do what works, And like I said, I'm waiting for the comment sections for everyone to tell me how wrong I'm doing it and how bad I'm doing it and all the rest of it. But for me, I just work with results. I work with what works and not everyone's opinion, because everyone's got an opinion on how to be perfect. I just want to just get it done. So you can see that this is just simple. Squirt, brush, squirt, brush. There's no way I want to be spending 10 hours and rubbing things up. And how can you spend more time on your car engine than brushing your teeth and your hygiene? It's ridiculous. It's like, at the end of the day, it's a bonnet. And unless you're doing a show car, you don't really, how clean does it need to be? But we're going to see anyway. But look, just all easy stuff. Squirt, rub, hit with the jet wash. Easy. Easy. Keep it moving. Constantly keep it moving. Like I said, you're not trying to force water into everywhere. You're just trying to dust it off. Dust off all the stuff that's underneath it. This wash probably took me about 10 minutes. Maybe not even as long as that. You see in a minute why? It's just too easy. But yeah, you don't have to worry about too much here. As long as you keep this wand moving, you can wash everything away and it won't be a problem. Yes, get in there. But yeah, it's all simple stuff. Like I say, people will always tell you that you need lots of things and you know how to make it perfect, but getting it done is better than perfection. And just keep it moving. Hit the plastics, go around the car, keep it moving, don't force it into anywhere, and just like me here. And whatever degreaser you're using, remember to wash it off the paintwork. Some of these are stronger than others, and they will either stain or burn the paintwork lacquer. So yeah, simple, easy stuff. Look at me just getting around the back there. Now sometimes what I like to do in the past, I used to do it with it on, but you don't really want to do it with it on for too long. So because you don't want the water to be hitting, cold water to be hitting the hot part. But this car was cold, and I just like to turn it on if I've hit something a bit at the back to make sure I haven't knocked anything off. But I've never knocked anything off, and it's never been a problem. But this is the reason why it took 10 minutes, because I've actually done a second wash. Things that I thought I missed, I hit them again. Simple. This is easy, guys. You don't have to be stressed out by all those things they're showing you. You could do this at a petrol station with a jet wash. Anywhere. Not rocket science. Beautiful. Just getting to work with it. That was a bit greasy, that bonnet catch, but I'll put a little bit of grease on it afterwards. But look, I'm back at it again, doing the same things, just catching anything I might have missed. Mainly hitting the plastics, not really interrogating anything too much, not forcing it on anything. That's just the oil cap there, I said that. But yeah, look, this is how easy it can be done. You don't have to worry about everyone's opinion, you know. Look at that, beautiful. Cleaning off the window. So yeah, remember, if you like my channel, don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and look at the results. Like I said, people have always got opinions, but tell me that these results do not look good. Yes, granted it's a bit wet, but it is 100% cleaner than it was. Look at that. Beautiful. I was chuffed. I was proper happy with this. But like I said, I'm waiting for everyone to tell me how wrong I did it. It's interesting to hear people's ideas. But look, it's just look at the results and let me know what you guys think. Look at that. It's clean though. How much better can you get than clean? Anyway, don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. See you in the other videos.